Well, congratulations everybody. Thank you for asking.
Learn from it rather than using it. But once you understand how important they are to us, to everyone, and to our future, you say, well, maybe we should look after it. And Bruny Island is a good place to learn that lesson. Rather than look after it, I'd put it as to learn how it can look after itself and then stand back and let it do its job. Always grown up with the beach, surfed and things like that. We treat beaches as though they're playgrounds, rather than saying, hey, these are important, lots of things live here. The interaction between the ocean, the beach and the hinterland is just so incredibly complex and so interesting that I think it's almost mind-blowing. And when you're sitting out and there's no waves and you're thinking, oh, I'll have a look at this beach.